Welcome to Kim's Creations. Thank you so much for being here and for being a part of this Valentine's collaboration. The Valentine's collaboration was put together by the lovely Aishu from Aishu's Crafty Kids Club. So thank you, Aishu, for inviting me to be a part of this. Alexa, stop timer. I have a timer on because I'm cooking up some resin and I'm trying to get it up to temperature. So I keep setting the timer to see if I've gotten my resin to 95 degrees. So we'll see. But in the meantime, I do want to thank August from August's Acrylic Art for passing you all along to me. And up after me is going to be the lovely Betty from Oak by Bettina. All right, let's get down to what we're doing. Okay, I am planning to do a 3D bloom, and I am about to see if my resin, I've mixed up 4 ounces of resin. I'm gonna see if my resin has reached at least 95 degrees. It's a little bit cooler here, so it's taken a significantly longer amount of time to get to temperature. Looks like we're pretty good here. 96, 97 degrees, yay. And look at this. Look what I found at Hobby Lobby. So look at these, look how cute they are. And they are polymer clay chips. And what I like about them is that these little envelopes are double-sided. And I thought that could be cool to put in the center of my 3D bloom for Valentine's Day. I'm going to be using alcohol inks by Ranger, and in Flamingo and in Crimson. And just off to the side here, I've got my scale, and I'm going to just put about ½ an ounce. I'm not going to need too much, I don't think, of resin into this little cup. So I've got just a little bit more, 0.6. And if you hear the little squeaking, it's the little one next to me playing with her toys. All right, hopefully I can pour this on here without disrupting it too much. I'm gonna torch this. You can see bubbles on here. Turn that flame down a little bit. All right, now I've gotta give bubbles eviction notices. They like to hang out in the corners. Okay, do I want to rearrange any of these a little bit? So my plan is to try and do a 3D bloom and make them into hearts. So I have my piping bag here. First thing I'm gonna do is lay down my alcohol inks. I'm gonna put quite a bit in here too. Wow, that pink really did push out that red. We'll see what happens. All right, so I am using Julie's Bloom Paste. I'm just gonna put 2 drops in. So I'm gonna get this out to the end. There it is. 1. 2. All right. Oh, my little envelope is floating. Okay, yeah, look at that. Floating. All right, I'm just gonna okay. There's some cool feathering going on there in the center. I'm just gonna snip off maybe that much? Yeah, that much. We'll see. All right, here we go. I'm going to, I guess, do from here. Oh, my heart. I have no idea if that's gonna look like hearts or not. Let me just see if I can de-blob and make this more make it look more like a heart. And I'm also trying to get rid of the blobs. So here, this one here can be a big blob. We'll just try and disperse it. Now it doesn't look like a heart anymore. That's basically it. See that center blooming? I'm gonna torch this. Guess we'll see. I'll be back when it's ready to unmold. We are back, and this is completely cured. I am so curious to see what this looks like on the other side. But this right here is totally cute, that little heart in the center. So fingers crossed. All right, moment of truth. Oh, wow. That is really cool. It doesn't necessarily look like a heart on this side, but it is really, really cool. And I like the little doohickeys in the middle. What do you guys think? It was definitely a successful 3D bloom. Yeah. The heart shape needs a little working on, but really it's asking an awful lot of a 3D bloom. Well, thank you all for being here. Up next is Betty with Oak by Bettina. So let's head on over to her channel. Bye for now. Happy Valentine's Day.